here. It's the old Ferrara. Man, look at this. Look at how like bulky it is in here. It's perfect. It's in here. It's freaking beautiful. There's engine 3 up ahead. Yeah, look at this. Old engine 2 here. Engine 2 actually used to live with engine 4 well, not way back in the day. Obviously, it's still here, but not too long ago, I guess. Yeah. This is the pumper panel, everything in here. Deck gun, which is used to be there. Top of everything. Firehouse here. Damn it. Oh, looks like everything is still in here then. Huh. Yeah, it's being used as a spare for them.
Yep. That's engine 6 right now? Yeah. The seatbelt for engine 6. Engine 6 got... Okay, so okay. The old engine 6. Yep. Where's the other fuse? Engine 5? Yeah, that's engine 5 now. The old engine 3.
Wait, so where's the frontline engine 6 at right now?
They got it in the shop because the seatbelts aren't working.
Oh, well, where's the shop at?
I don't know if they took it to, I'm not sure where they took it to be honest. They might be at the DPW garage.
Oh, snap, I didn't know that's where they kept all the
What's up?
I didn't know that's where they repaired the fire trucks, at the DPW.
I have.
Yeah.
The mechanic isn't, he's like 75 years old or something like that.
Yeah. Oh, snap, I was not aware of that. Oh. I did not expect that.
These are good rigs,
Oh, it's on this side too. Whoa. Look at that. So is this all like the air tanks?
Yeah, it's the spares. Spare bottles.
Uh-huh.
The chauffeur, the chauffeur, you keep his pack in there.
Chauffeur, they very rarely start off. Unless they're fast.
Do you guys do, what are some of the code names that you guys use? It smells horrible in here. This is engine FDMV engine 7. Currently decommissioned company, but it's a spare, so kind of just sits here waiting for the day to be used. Up front's a 1992 Pierce Lance. Lance. Say Pierce. This is a Lance though. So you'd step up there to get to the deck gun, but I'm not gonna climb up there. Right now, pretty much just have access to look at all the old trucks right now. It's not being used. Fun fact, actually, if one of the Pierces, the new Pierces break down, like they'll bring in this one. I can't open this. Damn it. At least I can open this. There's all this stuff in here. This dented up Q siren. This poor Q siren. I can't look in any of these compartments because there's seats blocking the bay. But I'll move this one to the side over here. But I already went inside this area. New engine 3, of course. County engine 205. Everything is still in here. Look at that. It's like it's not even a spare. Huh? A little bit. Oh, so all the equipment is off of this one?
Well, yeah, it's pretty much done.
Oh man, I feel like you guys could still use this as like a spare.
We did.
I know. I mean, yeah, I know you guys did.
It's,
Oh, whoa, wow.
I think it's a shot.
What do you mean?
It's not working properly.
Oh man, that sucks.
Yeah. I mean, you know, the lifespan of these trucks, believe it or not, are only 15 years.
Really? I was jeez.
15 to 20 years is the lifespan, that's it.
Then I look at the Max CFs and I'm like,
You know.
Because
You gotta remember, these things go through a lot of wear and tear.
right,
They get no breaks.
right. Especially like, I feel like the only fire truck in Mount Vernon that kind of gets brakes is Tower Ladder 1, the front line.
Oh, they get it in. No, they get it in.
I feel like because it's like one of the firefighters said that Tower Ladder 1 front line like just doesn't want to work because it's always needing a spare.
They get it in. They go to calls. I tell you, there's no dull moment in Mount Vernon.
Wow.
You can go in the front cab to the side, get in the cab if you want.
Yay, E1. Dang, I really wish I could see this thing respond though. The Q siren on this is
You
beautiful.
might find online. You might find it online.
Yeah, I did. I said I found one video online with this responding. It was from Ace Pilot 2K7.
Jump in there if you want.
Yay. Look at this ladder. This is such a classic unit here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just empty. So all the equipment is out on this one?
Yeah, pretty much. They're on the new one.
Ah, boo. So you guys just kind of like switched equipment around?
I have no idea what they're going to do with this right now. They might just give it to another country or sell it or scrap. I don't have no idea.
I hope they do something with it because this is a really like perfect engine. Just needs to be refurbished a little. You know, seats are all rusted up and stuff. Right here.
The thing is, according to NFPA 1901, the lifespan of a rig, 15 to 20 years. After that, you got to put it out of service.
Oh.
It goes through a lot of wear and tear. You know.
Well, New York City is way different. For them, they're like
They got
10
the-
years.
They got the resources.
Right.
They got a factory that builds them. Actually,
Right, and everything for New York City is custom made.
yeah, they can build stuff. We can. We small. We don't.
So you guys
we
just
don't
have to
the
whatever
resources. We don't have the
company.
resources.
So you can't really have like trucks that are custom made.
I mean, you know, when you have resources, you can do that. But here, we're small here, so we can't. We don't have the resources, unfortunately.
And engine 7 in front. Will you guys still use that as a spare?
That we still use as a spare. Yes.
Oh, I can't wait to see that as a spare.
That we use as a spare.
Window. Are all fire trucks still like this with the window thing like this?
Huh?
For all fire trucks, are they still like this?
Yeah.
Oh. What was that?
Try to keep it old school as possible.
That's good. Do I keep the fire spirit alive? And on, I think it was South 6th Avenue, there's an old firehouse down there. It's
There's a bunch of old ones around here. There's one on 3rd. South Turn over here.
That's where Rescue 1 used to come out of, right?
Well, you have Rescue 1 used to come out of Union.
Oh.
Union is
Oh.
the block here. There used to be a bunch of firehouses in Melbourne.
Wow, and
We went on 4th Avenue.
this beautiful Q siren. Oh, I love Q sirens. They make my favorite siren. This is the Pierce. This one has a Detroit engine, right?
I have no idea.
Oh, Detroit engines are the best ones. Sound like
No,
race
this is
cars.
a Waterus. Waterus? How do you pronounce that? Waterus?
Oh. Yeah, I really wish I could. I really want to see Engine 2 respond.